Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As promised in my spring shopping vlog, I'm going to show you today what I got in Vienna. I have to say that I was actually not that successful as I did not get anything for myself, so there's nothing that I brought back home. Can you imagine? We were checking the new collections of all of our favorite brands and we basically stopped by every boutique, but somehow there's not much new or a lot of innovative that really caught my eye. I have the feeling that it's the same things over and over again. I also couldn't really identify any strong trends this season yet, except for butter yellow, but I'm not so sure yet if I'm a big fan of that color or not. I definitely like off-white shades, but I've never been a real fan of yellow tones, so I didn't jump on this yet, but we'll see. Maybe I'll also get caught by it very soon. But my boyfriend got me a really nice gift at Cartier. It's something that I've been wanting for the longest time, so I am super happy and excited to show you this today. Such a dream piece in there that was just perfect for the occasion. But before we go into the unboxing, let's quickly catch up on what's new in Vienna. There's a lot going on lately. After Van Cleef opened its doors in spring last year and Saint Laurent expanded to a bigger space, also Dior finally made the move to a new address as it took over the previous Louis Vuitton boutique. So now you got the big three, Dior, Louis Vuitton and Chanel, right next to each other. Of course, we had to check out the new Dior boutique and let me tell you, it's absolutely beautiful. It feels a bit like a smaller version of the Avenue Montaigne flagship store in Paris, with a dreamy staircase surrounded by Dior couture glowing in white leading up to the first and second floor. With the new boutique, we also finally got access to the Dior Maison collection, the home collection, and it's so stunning, you guys. I took some videos that I'm going to include in this video so that you can have a glimpse. And for the gents, there's also now finally an own floor dedicated to the men's collection. You have to know that previously there was only the women's collection available in Vienna, so you can imagine that my boyfriend was quite excited to also finally be able to shop Dior in Vienna. And what I also need to highlight is the beauty universe, which is a dream come true for all Dior beauty lovers. I got to see the Rouge Premier lipstick, which comes in a luxurious ceramic case with the Toile de Jouy in grey all over. It's so pretty. I would have loved to get the neutral shade, but unfortunately it was sold out, so let's see if it will come back soon. And they also have a matching pocket mirror. So cute, really nice gift idea. And for the skincare enthusiasts, I've even seen a Dior Gua Sha Stone, but I think it's unfortunately not sold separately. It comes with the L'Or de Vie skincare collection for a whopping 3,000 euros, which is a little bit too much if you ask me for skincare. I'm pretty sure there are some people that definitely get their hands on this. Then I tried on a really cute jacquard bag named the Dior Travel Nomad pouch in a very pretty neutral tone with the oblique all over. I think this would make a really nice lightweight summer bag, but I passed on it for now as I was not so sure about the oblique. It feels a little bit out of trend, but somehow I still really like the design of this bag. It reminds me a little bit of a Loewe bag that I was eyeing a couple of years ago. I'm still not 100% sure if oblique is still a thing. What do you think, guys? Speaking of Loewe, I've also seen that a Loewe boutique will open in Vienna soon, which I'm looking much forward to. The only one still missing then would be Celine. I'm really hoping that they will come and maybe they might take over the old Dior address, who knows. And last but not least, there's also the opening of the very first Arcade store in Austria planned for this year, including a cafe. Can't wait for this one to open. It's my favorite go-to when it comes to good everyday basics. Alright, let's come to what I was actually looking out for. At Chanel, my essay reserves the summery ballet flats for me as she got one pair exactly in my size. Not exactly in the colorway that I was opting for though, so I was looking for the white beige combination and she got one in all beige, but I have to say that I also really liked that style once I saw it in person. I fell in love with them in the second I saw them, but unfortunately they were way too big. If you're interested in this pair, make sure to at least size down half a size as I was slipping out completely from the usual size that I would wear in Chanel ballet flats. This is probably due to the material as leather is way more stiff. Such a pity. Let's see if I will still manage to find them anywhere, but I think it will be hard as they are quite popular. At Hermes, I tried on another pair of shoes, the Oran sandals in two colorways that I have on my current wish list, a light blue one called Bleu Glacier and a blush pink rosy one called Rose Cancan. I would have wished the light blue one to be a little bit more more intense blue as it almost looked like a gray. The rosy one was cute, but I was not sure if it's just the spring season that makes me like it. I would definitely have preferred to get a blue one as I already have a neutral tone of these sandals. Alright, enough waffling. You're all up to date now on what's going on in Vienna's shopping district, so let me finally show you what my boyfriend got me at Cartier. There was a special occasion for this. We are celebrating our 10-year anniversary, 1 decade together. I mean, how crazy is that? I feel like we basically grew up together, or at least from teenies to young adults. So as a sign of love, what would obviously be more perfect than a piece from the Cartier Love collection? I think that's enough hints for now. Let's open this up. The packaging is beyond beautiful with the signature wax seal, almost too pretty to unwrap. You can probably tell by the box size what this might be. Okay, let me try to open this up without destroying this entire thing. Actually, not too easy. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is the box. I can't wait to reveal this beautiful piece, you guys. It is beyond stunning. So let's take out another box out of the box. And this is the typical Cartier box that you probably have all seen before. Look at the love for detail. It is so cute. So let's have a look inside this box. And it is a love band in 18 karat yellow gold in small size. Look how flawless this is, you guys. Oh my god, it is so shiny. And it is so cute. Can we take a moment and appreciate the beauty and the perfection of this? Such an iconic piece. I mean, this flawless state will probably change really quickly as gold is a very soft material and prone to scratches. Especially the Love series is known for showing signs of wear quite fast. I guess it's a bit like leather, which also develops a patina over time, but that's also what gives it its unique character. But I was told that of course you can bring your jewelry to Cartier's polishing service once in a while to restore its brilliance and shine. Before I try this on, let's have a look what else is in this bag. So we also got in here this little box that includes a cleaning set. So we have here a lotion for jewelry and watches. Then we have here a soft cloth, of course, to apply the lotion, and also a little tiny brush to clean it. And these are probably the care instructions on how to take care and clean your jewelry. And then we also have this little pouch here, which is practical for storing the ring. It is very soft inside, especially when traveling. These come in handy. And then we have here the certificate of authenticity. Let's have a look inside. It's a little red booklet, and then it shows when this piece was bought and has the original stamp from the boutique in there, and also the serial number saying that this ring was made in 750 gold and Cartier certifies that this is an authentic Cartier jewel. And last but not least, we also got 2 perfume samples. We have here Pure Rose, that sounds very good, and Le Convoité. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. I have no clue what this means. Le means our, I think, in English, but Convoité, I need to Google, I don't know. Let's just try them out and see if they're good. So this one here is the Pure Rose one. That definitely smells like roses. Very good for spring. I love floral scents. It really smells like you're standing in the middle of a flower shop. Really, really good. Let's try the other one, the Convoité. Oh wow, this is completely different. It's definitely more on the sweet side, but somehow it's also interesting. I think I have to wait a couple of minutes and see how it will develop, but I have to say both of them seem to be quite promising. At least the first impression is, or the first smell. Back to the ring, I also tried on the sparkly diamond version as a pinky ring, but in the end I decided to stick to the classic yellow gold band in this small dainty size, which I think is so beautiful, and it actually perfectly stacks with my beloved Coco Crush ring, which is how I envisioned to wear it. So Let me show you how those two look together. I think it's a perfect match because they have quite similar size. They are both super dainty and not too broad, which is just how I like it. Such a beautiful duo, isn't it? I am so in love with this combo, guys. I can't tell you how excited I am. How pretty is it? I mean, look at this sparkly combo. I think it's really a perfect match. As this was our first purchase at Cartier, let me also tell you a little bit about the store experience. The service was impeccable. Everyone in the boutique was so friendly and attentive and not too intrusive. A very calm and quiet atmosphere. Even though we came without any appointment, we did not wait very long. Maybe 5 minutes that we spent well browsing through the beautiful pieces throughout the boutique. We also had a look at some watches as we both like the Panthère and the Santos model a lot. Our essay consulted us very well, helping us to find the perfect model and the right size while telling us a little bit about Cartier's history and the values of the house. Did you know that the Love bracelet was created back in 1969 in New York? It's definitely the most iconic piece of the Love series as it's locked with a screw to symbolize the permanence of true love. I just love the story and the meaning behind this jewelry collection, and I couldn't be happier with my first piece from the Love series. Everything was just truly perfect and so romantic. Just a perfect experience. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and little story time. Let me know how you like my newest jewelry piece. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and consider subscribing to my channel to not miss out on any upcoming ones. I would love to see you here soon again. Bye, guys!